welcome back guys. Today video will be a bit different guys. Today's gonna be a random day in the life of Enjay. You see me, so right now just leave out. I have this book I have to deliver to my brother at school. You understand? He goes to the case that's College of Science Agriculture. No, College of Science Agriculture and Education. Yeah, so him leave this book which him need. So I end up for bring it to game. So right now I walk out on the road, get a vehicle, and we're gonna bring the book here to game. And after that I go link up with my mother. You guys are gonna see she for the first time, and we are gonna bring her to my sister's school, which they're gonna have I think a PTA meeting. So I bring you guys along the journey. Guys, that's some nice drone shots. You know, yeah, we have some driving to do and so on to go out there because the road kind of bad too. So I'm gonna drop her off out there and chill out there a while. So while I'm out there, I'm gonna send up a drone, showing you guys the place. So for now, I'm gonna try to get this book to my brother. So whenever I reach in a town, I get the bike from my cousin and I'm gonna bring the book back even by the school guys. So yeah, I'll just stick and stay. Hope y'all enjoy this one. This is a bit different, as I say, just a random day. I decided to I might just bring you guys along. You see me? So we have the book and we're gonna bring it the game now. So let's go. So guys, as you can see, look at me have the book. Yeah, so right now we're gonna see if we can call this man and try to get to him and make him get the book, you know. So that we're gonna do right now and head back to pick up the car. So we'll call him right now and see if we can give him the book and head back over guys. So without the case, right now, you know, in time I walk up and show the entrance, how the entrance look. But we're gonna call him now, see if we can get the book. So people, we hand him the book and we are heading back out. I don't know, I have to say I get the car. That is it. And we're back on the road again. Look at those cows down there. Faster. Alright people, so we abandoned the bike and now we in a car. Boy, it's a rough ride from a bike to a car. Yo, this sun crazy, yo, believe me. The sun is super crazy right now. So I'm gonna pick up my mother now and then we're gonna touch the road and head out to Happy Grove High School. That's a school that my sister attends. So, not the one you see on the channel before. That's my eldest sister is from Happy Grove. So guys, I'm driving a manual shift and boy oh boy, to drive on bad road with manual, it's a hard task. Look at that, look at the road. Judge out. I'm gonna put up the phone and whenever I reach to where my mother is, I'll turn back the camera and show you guys what's up. And I'm gonna see how she's gonna react because trust me, we should have left already and it's past 1 and we should reach by 2. So we know we're not gonna reach in time, but we're not gonna speed or anything still. But you know, we'll get there still. So I'll catch you guys whenever I reach which part today. Right now I'm sweating like crazy. Yeah, but we have wait for her now. I'm gonna see her as yet, so let's wait for her, give her a few seconds. She must hear that, so whenever she reach, I'll show you guys what's up. Yo, the sun crazy. Yeah, we have the drone right here now guys. Can you see which part we are going? There's some beautiful sights out there. So while she had where she have to do, I'll just be sending up the drone, getting some drone shots to you guys. Yeah, and that is basically the pre right now.
You know this one?
Yeah, man.
So you have vlog meantime, yeah?
No, you can't hold the camera.
What camera?
No phone.
I do.
No vlog, you don't know who vlog.
No. You can't drive my phone, yeah.
There people say she gone. She gone, you know, gone at PTA meeting. It's crazy. But I'll park the car somewhere and go and easy back and get something to drink. You see me? So that's the pre right now. Alright guys, so we'll get the park. That's what like crazy, yo. Alright guys, so I get something to drink and eat, maybe chips or something, and then we're gonna send up the drone. Get a nice drone shot of how the view look. This is how the place look right now. Yeah, so from morning, what me do from morning? Bring the book, go give him brother. Yeah, that's over the college. And then come back, pick up the car, bring her come out here, so which took me maybe like an hour and a half drive. The road is horrible. You see me? And then I reach by the school, which is Happy Grove. So I get about some stall or something, get something to eat. And I even see my sister. Get something to eat, and then we'll go set up the drone. So that I pre right now. So when my sister forward, I'm gonna show you guys. Because she come from school. You see me? So I have to wait for them. But for that, for now, I get something to eat, set up the drone. That I pre. So that's her walking. This that's that. Look, why I can't call you man for? Your face. It's mad. Her face to make up, you know, I'm sorry. Should have waited for me too long, I guess. So that's why her face looks so. But yeah, wind up them window, get them window up. And get the window them up. I'm gonna get something to drink because this sounds crazy, yo. Need orange juice or something. Need orange juice or something without acid. You see me? Back off. I'm always saying I'm supposed to not go into a woman's purse, but if I forget, I gotta take out something, money out there to buy something. So, yeah. She's the one that told me to. Get that key so the car and lock up. Now to go. Bye out there. One bun and cheese. Yeah. No more drinks though. Something without acid. Orange juice. Yes. Cool. Bomb school. Oh boy. Hello, auntie. And daddy. She a good. No, man, get the butter, please. Sharp again. And the drinks. What that's it. Me there, so. Yeah. Doing so. So we get them here. Yeah guys, so just buy the Minute Maid, a juice and a biscuit, and out of $1,000 and we get back $550 for just a biscuit and a drinks. $450. School and people are cruel. Man, this and this $450. Oh my god. Best me to go supermarket to buy this, guys. If I bought this at supermarket, it wouldn't be more than $200. I'm literally spending $450 by them here. I swear. This is too expensive. Never again. So this is our orange flavored juice. For all who don't know, Minute Maid orange. Yeah, they didn't have an orange juice, so we get that Minute Maid orange flavored. I think they have pineapple also. And Butterkiss chocolate biscuit. Yeah, expired date 4th of March 2023. Good. So guys, I'm gonna try to set up the drone now and try to get some of them senior, because the last time I came out here I wish me to bring my drone, and this time I make sure I bring it. So let's go.
Shaking underneath, trying to take me alive. Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch them run away. I got none. I'll be standing.
Alright guys, so we finished setting up the drone now. We pack it up back. We just wait for my sister and our mother, and I think Connects lady is coming also with us. So that's the pre-first evening, which is I go head back home. Yeah, I drop them off, and then I go head back to the bike, get the bike, and head home. That's the pre-first day, you know? Yeah, man. But I understand how we don't see them as yet. So guys, we reached back to Port Antonio. Right now we're at the Ramtula hardware. We're at the Ramtula Super Center. I get some drinks, cause man, I'm hot. Yo, nothing interesting happened today, but you know, that's a showcase today. Same way, we didn't know it, but to come on tonight, the background kind of blurred out. That's how the background look. You know, say that come on tonight, you know. I'm hot, man. Yeah, so then going to the supermarket and get some drinks to come back, so that I'm there with fun. Get something to, you know, hydrate up back, touch back the road again, because we're going to Port Antonio, because where Ramtula is called Valley Road, them call it. So we're going into Port Antonio, we'll get some jerk chicken, I think them say. So I could see how that go. So yeah, I see the people. Ramtula Super Center, Auto Parts. This is a building, supermarket. I'm going inside. So we are waiting for them to come out back now, so we can get some juice. Guys, this is why you don't want to go out. This is why you don't want to go out on those road, yo. Look at the car. Look at mud. Charger. Look how this one is clean. And look at this. Charger, yo. Car is dirty, man. Inside clean. Come on, Thai Road. What is? Grab my drinks, son. Bring my drinks. The
Original?
No, the creamer one.
A green that are orange.
Cream or orange juice, and I see it.
I don't know which one will make you want, so we just buy it two different ones.
Nah, look how my clothes nasty up. No. No. Come police, man. No, no worry. Soon come.
Yeah?
Just say I can buy the jerk chicken.
Oh.
Put this.
You want one?
Nope. Pick up. So, there's another packet to drop from. So guys, the car started to give, well, it was giving a lot of problem from we left from the school because I was reversing once and something in the engine fell off, which was a hose that connected to something wasn't attached, so the car was giving a lot of problems, so it was kind of frustrating. So but I just decided that, man, I'm just gonna give the vlogging a rest for now because I was frustrated. So yeah, I'll do a next video soon, more informative and everything, guys. So I hope y'all enjoy this one. So thanks for watching. Bless up.